Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. The price line of Zilliqa is still moving in this falling wedge pattern, and after getting rejected it is moving down. So let's take a look at the price line, whether are we going to test the support of this wedge once again or we are going to break out the resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame. And here you can see that we are moving in this falling wedge pattern since September 2021, and so far we are not able to break out or break down the resistance or support. But one thing here is confirmed on the chart, that we are testing the resistance more than the support. However, still the price line is failed in breaking out the resistance. Now recently we are rejected here on 8th of Feb by this resistance of the falling wedge moving down to the support. And here we also had another support at 4.6 cents. You can see here it was breaking as a resistance, and here it was working as a support in the short term, but it has also broken down this support as well very easily, and now moving towards the next support that we have here approximately at 3.7 cents, and here you can see it has worked as a support. And if we take a look at the previous history, then it has been working as a nice support and resistance as well. Like here, when we had this rally, that was a very nice rally back in November 2020, we were rejected by this resistance here, and here as well in December 2020, and finally we broke it out, retested this level as a support, and moved up. Therefore this time it can again work as a very nice support. And very important point we have here is that this support of 3.7 cents and the support of this falling wedge pattern are approximately at the same level. Therefore, if the price line reaches there and tests this zone, then there will be a very high probability for the price reversal. Now, for example, if the price line after testing this support of 3.7 cents moves up from here, then we can test the resistance of this wedge pattern, this time approximately at 5 cents. And remember, we will have the 25 simple moving average resistance before this resistance of this falling wedge. Right now we are having this 25 simple moving average on the daily time frame below the resistance. Yes, it is possible that when we will be moving up, the 25 will be moved above the resistance of the falling wedge. Then we will need to break out this resistance of the falling wedge first, and then 25 simple moving average. And here I've also placed the 25, 50, 100 and 200 simple moving averages, and you can see that we have broken down all these resistance support levels as well of these moving averages, the simple moving averages. Therefore, in order to start a powerful move, a long-term move from here, we need to also break out all these simple moving averages as well. We have so many resistance levels now, like this one, the 6 cents resistance level will be a very strong resistance for the price line. You can see here it has been breaking as a support. Here for the several days it has been breaking as a support, and even in the previous history back here in June 2021 it has been breaking as a support. And here back in January 2021, this 6 cents support level has been breaking as a very strong support. Therefore it can work as a very strong resistance once the price line will break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Then the next resistance will be here approximately at 8 cents. That is also very strong resistance, because previously it has been working as a support and resistance as well. And the final resistance can be here. That is the tail or top of this falling wedge approximately at 12 cents. And by the way, this is not the final resistance. You can call it as a final target if you are trading this falling wedge pattern after the breakout. So next few hours or days are really very important. We may test the support of this falling wedge and this price level support of 3.7 cents, and we may have a reversal move from there. You can see that it is very nicely getting reversed whenever it is touching the supports here, and but so far it is not able to break out the resistance. Therefore we can expect that once again it will have another reversal move if it will test the support. and you can see that we are almost at the end of the falling wedge. It is getting more and more squeezed. Therefore, after the next price reversal move, there will be a high probability for the breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.